Jesus!
You see you, camera. Get out, Joy. You see you.
Mama! What kind of person you are, eh?
Used to kill your boy.
And something happened. This is how you abandon him. My son will not marry you.
Hi, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Lenzi, aka Agriba the Market Man, and with me today I have
Olive by name.
Olive.
Yeah.
Olive oil. Normal olive. Look, brother, come, my bro, come close. Mommy, you laugh at me. That one make me, because Olive. Not only Olivia, the way is here, Olivia, eh, mommy, that olive oil you make you laugh. Okay. I have Olive here with me. So Olive said that he wants to prank his fiancée, and that's why he's here with his mama. So he said he wants to prank his fiancée. He just wants to see her reaction. He said, I think you guys are getting married.
Yeah. We are getting married in few weeks' time.
Yeah. Like few weeks and weeks. So, but you just want to play this prank on this is fiancée, so that he's going to know how his fiancée is going to react. Don't worry, I'm not going to give people expo. I will not tell you what we want to do, but then just relax and make sure you enjoy this video, and don't forget to share this video. Biko, if you watch this video and this video makes you happy, you share this video to other people so that they can watch. So my brother Olive, you go call Olive. So Olive, you call your fiancée and let's know where she is, or better still, we can give her a location where she's going to meet us. If she's not far, if she's close by, she can meet us up somewhere. And
Call her.
yeah, please don't speak up. So come close.
Hello, babe.
Hello, babe. Hi.
What's
How
up?
are you?
I'm fine. Where are you?
I'm at home.
At home. Hope you are good.
Yes. Yeah, I'm good. What about you?
I'm fine. I want to send you a location where you come and meet me. Something important.
Location?
Yes, something very, very important.
Really? Hope is not something like how?
Just come and meet me. I'll send you a location. I'll send you an address where you come and meet me.
Send the location. I'll get them. Just send it to me.
Okay, no problem now. I'll be waiting.
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay now.
Alright. Bye.
She says send location. This your baby love you. Not everybody you go say come out, and the person go leave waiting in they do they wrong come out.
It don't tell where we don't day now, so.
And I sure say you go down anoint time with olive oil. So let's wait, let's wait and let's see. So don't forget, let's send her the location. Send her location where she will come meet us, so that, and please, I beg, when I was son, I sure say we could share this video so that anointing oil go reach you too.
See what we have in this place. She's already here. How are you? So, what happened? Why is your face like this?
There's problem.
What happened?
There's a serious problem.
Tell me, what is it, Mama? What is it? Mama, please talk to me now. Listen to him. Calm down, listen to him. We have something important to tell you. Just listen to him.
You know, our wedding is at the corner, you understand?
Yes, yes.
And my work I don't know what happened at my working place. It just sent to Africa.
What did you do?
I don't know. It's sad. I don't know what I did. Seriously, I don't know. They don't say I should stop work. The house, everything. They took everything away from me. Honestly, I don't know what we are going to do now. Jesus. Seriously, I don't know. And the wedding is
hey, no, wait. Just let me get this thing straight. You mean everything that we had, that you have, so there won't be anything again?
Exactly, seriously, exactly.
And our wedding is in few months' time.
I don't know what I would do. Let's just find a way to do it.
Which kind of management is that one now?
Let's find a way to do it, babe. Seriously.
No, I cannot manage like that now. What do you want me to do?
I really like it.
I already told my friends that I'm going to do wedding.
You understand?
No. See, you know what? I will know the fact that I love you. You love me. Please, you know what you just have to do for me?
Calm down. What is it?
You understand when there was money we spent for each other.
Yes, I understand.
But now that the things are like this, let's just manage and do this and do
Sweetheart,
this.
you know what? You could see my skin is very fresh, Abi.
I understand.
And I don't really like anything that has to do with sufferness. Do you know, right? Please, probably when you finish making the money, you can come back. No. No. Mama, maybe when you finish making money. When you finish making money, Mama. When you finish making money, he can come. When you finish making, when you come to me,
try
you can
and
marry.
please, I'm begging you, babe.
What do I tell my friends? My
Leave
friend
your
Joy
friends,
that did wedding last week. Do you know how much she spent?
I know, don't use yourself to come. Don't worry, we'll bounce back, babe. We'll bounce back.
You don't know how much my friend
We'll
spent.
bounce back, babe. Chill.
Calm down.
Please, I'm begging you.
No, Mama, if I'm your daughter and call, no now. That's my skin. No, I can't even take.
Please, babe. Please, babe.
Look at our camera.
Jesus!
You see you, I don't get out, Joy. You see you.
Mama!
What kind of person you are, eh?
Wait, Mama.
I've told my son that
it's not like that.
you are not good for
Mama,
money.
it's not what you think. It's not what you think.
No.
Mama, please
So
wait.
My son cannot marry you.
Please just wait.
My
You
son
are a
cannot marry
disappointment.
I told you now. I told you that this is the kind of person.
You are a disappointment to me and my mom. I'm telling you the fact. You are a disappointment. I regret having you as a girlfriend. I regret it.
So if you kill your boy,
You are a disappointment.
And something happened. This is how you abandon him. My son will not marry you.
Mama, let's go.
Mama, please,
Beg
let me
yourself.
beg you. Please, let me beg you.
Mama,
Mama,